Garmin watches can overheat during charging due to a combination of factors. Lithium-ion batteries generate heat as they charge, and resistance in the charging circuit and chemical reactions within the battery cells contribute to this. Lithium-ion batteries generate heat as they charge, and resistance in the charging circuit and chemical reactions within the battery cells contribute to this. Using non-certified chargers that deliver incorrect current exacerbates the issue. Chargers should be 1A at 5 volts, adhering to USB power delivery standards. Charging in high ambient temperatures above 35 degrees Celsius or 95 degrees Fahrenheit or direct sunlight exacerbates the issue. If battery temperature exceeds 50 Celsius, 122 degrees Fahrenheit, it can lead to reduced lifespan or safety hazards. The good news is that Garmin has implemented solutions to address this. Garmin addresses overheating primarily through firmware updates. These updates include enhanced thermal management algorithms that monitor battery temperature in real time during charging. If the temperature gets too high, the charging speed is automatically adjusted to prevent overheating. For example, version 10.25 for models like the Phoenix 7, Epix, and Instinct series includes such algorithms. Additionally, newer models like the 2026 Phoenix 8 feature improved graphite cooling layers and ambient temperature sensors for better heat management. Using the correct charger is a critical step in preventing your Garmin watch from overheating during charging. Always use the proprietary Garmin charger that came with your watch, or a certified replacement. These chargers deliver the correct current and voltage. Non-certified chargers may overload the battery, leading to rapid heat buildup and potential damage. This is one of the most common causes of overheating that users have control over. Garmin is also enforcing stricter compatibility checks in their ecosystem. Environmental factors play a crucial role in preventing Garmin watch overheating during charging. High ambient temperatures and direct sunlight can significantly impact the watch's ability to dissipate heat. When charging in direct sunlight or environments above 35 degrees Celsius, which is 95 degrees Fahrenheit, the watch cannot properly release the heat generated during charging. This leads to rapid temperature buildup inside the device. To maintain safe temperatures during charging, always place your watch in a cool, well-ventilated area away from heat sources and direct light. Good ventilation helps the watch dissipate heat effectively. Avoid charging in enclosed spaces without proper airflow, and monitor your watch closely during charging in any extreme environmental conditions to ensure it stays within safe temperature ranges. Ensure your Garmin watch has the latest firmware updates installed. These updates often include improvements to thermal management and can significantly reduce the risk of overheating. Check for updates regularly through the Garmin Connect app on your phone or Garmin Express on your computer. Firmware acts as a smart governor, throttling charge rates based on sensor data from onboard thermistors, ensuring the battery stays within safe thermal envelopes, typically 25 to 45 degrees Celsius. If your watch continues to overheat even after installing the latest firmware and using the correct charger in a suitable environment, contact Garmin support. Your watch may be under warranty and eligible for free repairs. If you notice signs of thermal damage, such as battery swelling, discontinue use immediately and seek professional assistance. While Garmin hasn't issued a formal recall, they offer free repairs for watches under warranty showing signs of thermal damage. Looking ahead, Garmin is integrating AI-driven predictive maintenance to anticipate and prevent overheating risks. Expect to see wider adoption of graphene-based heat sinks in future models for superior thermal conductivity. Solar-assisted charging is also on the rise, minimizing reliance on plug-in charging. Wireless charging is evolving with Qi 2 standards, promising faster, cooler transfers. These innovations aim to create thermal-aware ecosystems for more durable wearables. Tech experts emphasize preventive measures to keep your Garmin watch running cool and safe. First, always use certified accessories. Stick to Garmin's proprietary chargers to prevent overloading that causes rapid heat buildup. Second, be mindful of the charging environment. Charge your watch in cool, well-ventilated areas, away from direct sunlight or other heat sources. Third, keep your software updated. Regular firmware updates provide enhanced thermal management algorithms. User surveys show a significant decrease in overheating reports following firmware updates, but user behavior remains crucial. By following these guidelines, you can minimize the risk of overheating and prolong the lifespan of your Garmin watch. Remember, a little prevention goes a long way.